I got one bolt in each side of this core support. There's one missing here and one missing here. But I put the two in the center here that I'd taken out, and I checked the hood to make sure it latches, opens without issue, which it does, and which is good. A tip here, when you're taking this stuff off, you can look at where it separates and get a marker of light color or something like that, trace where it's at, trace where the bolts are. You could do that here in the center too, or you could do it the way I did. I never do that, but I've heard it suggested. I think it's a very useful tip to keep from getting it out of alignment, but I wouldn't say it's absolutely necessary. I'm not going to tell you to follow every step that I do and do it in the order that I do it, but I've never had a car brought back to me, never had anything break down as a result of my repairs. But I'm no expert for sure, and I'm still learning new stuff every day. So here we are. I'm going to put these two bolts back in. Get this piece here. Start with these two pieces, put them back where they go. And don't want to forget the sensor here. Put the sensor back on. I plugged the horn up, plugged in the connectors to wherever they mount to, here and there, the ones I took off. This plastic piece was a little bit of a pain to get it situated right where it should be without the brace here. Maybe you could do it once you have this center brace in, then you can put this plastic piece back in. But you can see the sensor's tucked back behind it, so I did it beforehand, and then just obviously pulled this out the way when I put the brace back down. That little vacuum I did was just temporary to check for a leak. I'm going to hook the vacuum pump up, let it run for an hour, and then check it, let it sit for 30-45 minutes, and as long as it doesn't show any signs of leaks, I will recharge the system. Show you what happens in the next clip, see where we are. At this point I'm probably about 3